don't know this team, right? Well, there used to be this team. And they throwback jerseys look like this. What a fire concept. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And in 4K, we're going to review the new Nike SB Supersonics. I ain't going to front though. I wouldn't mind the OKC SB too. Hit the B-roll. Yes, sir. So compared to last year, SB's been down. Not bad, but I just feel like last year has been dominant. But we did get some dope SBs this year, especially this one. I feel like this one is being slept on. The reason why this is so iconic is because this is when the Seattle Supersonics got to the championship, played the Chicago Bulls in those nice jerseys. But we all know how that ended. Michael Jordan 6 rings, so you know who won that one. But this is fire to me, man. Like, this concept and nostalgia is just crazy, man. Like, it's like SB be pulling from the dopest parts of history and just knocking it out the park, man. So, you know, we don't do too much long talking here at Sneaker Notes. Let's unbox them. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So these SBs is a part of that purple box collection, which I really like. I really do miss the Lifesaver boxes. But the purple box is also cool to me because y'all know who I'm rolling with. I know we doing the Supersonics, but y'all know who my team. So I like the purple box. It reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro PRM Fire White University Gold. It just says FIR. I'm just thinking it stands for fire. Flip open the lid and you get that green SB tree bark tissue paper. Sometimes it's just gray, sometimes it's just green. I don't know the difference on why they do it, but usually the chrome boxes have the gray and the purple, and all other boxes have the green. I think, man, I review a lot of SBs. You do get that glow in the dark sticker. Some SBs get it, some don't. This one you do get the glow in the dark sticker. Here is the right shoe of the Nike SB Supersonics, man. Like, with me, a red and green sneaker is always a go because Gucci. But when you add the yellow, man, you just got me. So, let's start with the toe box. Nubuck suede. One of the best Nubuck suede. And that nice red. I like this red colorway, man. Around it, you get the green. Come on, actually, they could have called these the SB Christmases if you think about it. That's something to think about too. But you get that pine green Christmas tree around it, Nubuck suede. That material is awesome, guys. Let's creep up to the sneaker. That red and green is the color block. Then you get a nice Nubuck suede swoosh. Looks like it could be gray. Look like it could be white. I'm going to go with like a light gray there. Around it, you get a yellow. Look at that, sewn in yellow. Looks just like the jerseys. That supersonic yellow was sewn in just like that around the swoosh. Let's come around. My favorite logo. I know it's simple, guys, but this Nike logo is one of my favorite. It is also stitched in yellow or gold, just like the swoosh. I really like that. They go to gray swoosh, more red Nubuck, more green Nubuck, and then you get a white bottom finish with the gum bottom at the bottom. Tongue, super dope. Not only is it giving supersonic vibes, it's giving you jersey vibes. As you can see, the holes in here, just like an NBA or football jersey on the tongue. It even feels like a jersey, somewhat a little bit on the tongue. You get a big fat SB tongue because, of course, it's a SB. It reads Nike SB, and also that golden touch. I really like this look, man. Comes laced in your green shoelaces, which I like. I wouldn't mind. But you also get red or yellow, your McDonald pick, I really like this golden yellow look. But either or, in the comment section below, let me know which one y'all rocking with. I like the red, I like the yellow, I like the green. I don't have no dog in that race. The bottom, like I told y'all, gum bottom with your red inside Nike SB logo there. Very dope. Air zoom technology in the inside. This is the left shoe, guys, showing y'all the inside. All green inside Nike SB logo. Of course, the air zoom technology is an SB. This is the left side. Nothing changed here. Yeah, this is a real dope concept, man. As far as quality, I don't see any glue stains or nothing. Everything just looks clean on this sneaker, man. Yes, sir, man. So, like, I feel like this sneaker's been underrated, man. Actually, I'm in the progress of doing my top 10 sneakers of 2024. That's why I look like this. That's a tiring video to do, guys. Back and forth. Anyway, these are underrated, but I feel like these are one of the best SBs of the year. The nostalgia, it's just a lot. The red and green, the Christmas colors is just super dope. I could have got this sneaker about 2 months ago. Skate shops were dropping them left and right. Some skate shops was kind of iffy. I never heard of. I didn't pull a trigger, but I did get them on Sneakers app. Release date last Saturday or Friday. I'm telling you guys, that top 10 video got my head everywhere, man. But I think I paid $130 along with the Armor and Yays. They both came out on the same day. The Armor Air Max, I got both of those. That video will come later. Yeah, $130 shipped to me. Right now, if you look on Go or StockX, around the same price, maybe a $5 difference far as up. But if this sneaker does not restock, this is going to be one of those people feel like they shouldn't slept on. Trust me, man. Trust me. Let me know how you feel about these in the comment section below. Not my top 10 of the year because this year's been crazy, but definitely might be one of those honorable mentions, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Nose. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.